If you're looking for a free way to get customers for your small business, then this might be one of the easiest marketing strategies you can try. I'm telling you this because it has worked for my party rental business and it works for almost any business or side hustle out there. And in this video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite marketing strategies for getting clients in 48 hours. It's a little bit windy and I really hope you guys can hear me despite the wind and this really beautiful view out here in the countryside. If you're a small business or a side hustle and you're struggling to get your first customers, then this might really work for you. Let me tell you something. Facebook Marketplace is the perfect place to start. You do not always need a big marketing budget. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on ads, and you definitely do not need to become an internet dancing sensation, to get somebody to notice your business. Sometimes you just need to put your product where people are already looking. For me, that place was Facebook Marketplace. Actually, I started getting inquiries in as little as 48 hours after putting my listing. So if you're starting a business, especially a product-based one, or a local service business, let me show you how I used Facebook Marketplace to get potential customers. The best part is it is free. So when I started my party rental business, I had rental inventory sitting in my garage. I had the chairs, I had the tables, I had the linens. But the problem was having inventory is just inventory that doesn't make you money if it's just sitting in your garage. These beautiful chairs, expensive, beautiful chairs that are just sitting there looking pretty and making absolutely no money for me or for you, whatever business you're into. I needed to let people know that I have these products and these products are available to rent. So instead of immediately spending money on advertising, even on Google ads, I just started listing my rental chairs on Facebook Marketplace. I created individual listings for the items, as you can see from these screenshots, and I used clear pictures. I included videos, important details, what the item was, very specific information, how many I had available. I just, gave them a bigger number because I wanted to attract bigger clients as well, all types of clients, big and small. The rental prices, like for example, the chairs are $2 each. So I put the picture of the chair and I said $2 for the chair and the general area I serve. And then I waited and people started messaging me. The reason why Facebook Marketplace works is really because people are already there with the intention of buying or finding something. They are not just scrolling through Facebook thinking, I wonder if I need 50 chairs today. They're actually searching for those 50 chairs. Oopsie. Someone is planning a wedding. Maybe they need 10 tables. Maybe they're trying to find a last minute rental because, somebody forgot to book the chairs and now it's days before the event. So that person is already looking for you with the intention of getting something from you. You just need to show up. I want to be clear, Facebook Marketplace is not magic. You can't just throw up a blurry picture from 2017, write some words in the description and expect people to fight over your product. You have to make the listing easy to understand. You have to use good photos. You have to have a clear title. For example, instead of writing chairs for rent, I want the person searching to immediately understand what they are looking for. So say, gold Chevrolet chairs for wedding and event rentals. Now we're talking. Someone planning a wedding can use that and think, oh, that's exactly what I need. That's the goal. You're not trying to impress everybody. You're trying to get in front of the right person. So this is what surprised me. I didn't have to wait weeks or months for people to discover my business. Within about 48 hours, I was already getting inquiries. And some of those inquiries turned into actual customers. That was the moment I realized, wait a minute, people are actually looking for these things. Like I said in my previous video, the moment someone paid me for my items from my side hustle, it felt more real. And this is the same thing here. When people message me on Facebook Marketplace, it felt more real. Sometimes the problem is they simply don't know that you exist. And this isn't just for party rentals, I should say that. If you sell furniture, clothing, decor, equipment, beauty products, or even certain local services, think about what your potential customer might already be searching for and then put your offer in front of them. You have to sell yourself because when you're starting a business, especially with a small budget, you have to get creative. You don't always have money for Facebook ads. I didn't, and you certainly don't need like 10,000 followers before you can make your first sale, especially on Facebook Marketplace. So you need customers, and that's the goal. Not followers, not likes. You need customers. So put your product right in front of them. If you're starting a business and you're wondering, where am I going to find my first customer? Go ahead and try Facebook Marketplace. It's free. It's simple. And for me, it worked. Okay. All right, go.
I just wanted this.
Okay, stay on this side, okay? Stay there. All right, I told you, I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I have a business side hustle here. When the baby comes, you're gonna pay attention to the children. Okay, that is enough to get the conversation started. So when you grow bigger, then you can go ahead and pay for Google ads and all that shebang. And sometimes you can think, oh, I'm just renting an item. I don't know how to put this rental item on my Facebook Marketplace. Just put it as if you're selling it. You will still get your clients. In the next video, I'm going to show you step by step on how I create my marketplace listings as a rental item to get those inquiries. And if you want to see exactly what I put in my listings, make sure you're subscribed because that's coming next. Ciao.